Hello, welcome to a new tutorial video from Uni2Matrix. Today we're going to learn how to deposit into your account using cryptocurrencies. The very first thing you absolutely need to do is, at the top left corner, open the window where all the essential buttons appear, and then carefully select the reload option from the available choices. It will ask you how you want to reload your balance, with cryptocurrencies or through your decentralized wallet, using the Web 3.0 connection. This time, we're going to use the crypto option. This option is for depositing manually from your wallet or from your preferred cryptocurrency exchange. First, click on the yellow USDT BP20 button. At this point, the deposit order has already been generated. Click on the X, then click on the X again, and here it will show you your deposit address or wallet. Important, you have 10 minutes to make this deposit. If the 10 minutes pass, you need to repeat the process because the deposit wallet or address may change. It's important to keep that in mind. Copy the wallet address, then go to your preferred wallet or exchange. Find the coin you want to send and select the send option. Important, USDT BP20. If you notice, the network here is USDT BP20. Paste the address provided by your Uni2Matrix account and enter the amount. For this example, I'm going to use 10 USDT. Very important. If you're going to send money from a decentralized wallet, you need to have a few cents in BNB to approve the transaction. This doesn't happen with cryptocurrency exchanges. The fee is deducted directly from your USDT balance. But in this case, the example is from a wallet. Click Send. And that's how we've completed the transaction. Once it's been completed successfully, we can go to our account within Uni2Matrix. We close it. We refresh. And we can see that we now have a total balance of 10 USDT, or whatever amount you wanted to send. Now you'll have enough balance, or the balance needed, to complete the purchase of one of the NFTs within your Uni2Matrix account.